Hey, good morning, Ava. And the answer to your question is yes, you can bring an exponent out in front because of this idea. There is a property that says the log of 3 times 2 is the same as the log of 3 plus the log of 2. Since that is a true statement, then the log of 3 to the 4th power is really like the log of 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which then equals the log of 3 plus the log of 3 plus the log of 3 plus the log of 3. This statement equals this statement because of this addition property of logarithms. This was back, I think, in lesson 5.2.1. And then this property here, let me change this up. Where the log of 3 to the 4th equals then 4 times the log of 3, because I'm adding 4 of those together. I have 4 log 3s. This should be from section 5.2.2. Hopefully this helps.